Okay, everyone. Professor Calderon here again. Excuse me. I want to talk to you about shape change. Shape change is another cue to deep space. When we have a flat two-dimensional screen and we see an object on that screen change shape, it's a cue to deep space. Now, what do I mean by change shape? If you look at this from your perspective right now, it's a square. And now it's more of a rectangle, right? So here's a square to a rectangle. When an object changes shape like that on a two-dimensional screen, our mind cues in and tells us 3D space. So we got square to rectangle. And because it does that because only in a three-dimensional space can an object turn like that. If it were only a two-dimensional space, it would remain flat forever. But because it's three-dimension, we have that third dimension of depth. That object can spin or rotate, and we see that as shape change. We can also find this also happens when we have an known image or a shape of a known size that changes shape. For example, in this image right here, with this building, notice the windows closer to the bottom floors look larger than the windows closer up to the top floor. Even though they're all the same size, right? They appear to change shape. That shape change we register as well as deep space or the illusion of deep space. Okay? Because only in the third dimension can objects change shape like that. All right? A little tricky. If you have any questions, put it on the discussion board.